Alright fellas, in this video we are going to see how to fix the step 2 error. Set up Google AdSense. Your associated AdSense account has been suspended. This could be due to AdSense country restrictions, invalid click activity or other policy reasons. So this issue can be due to invalid activity or many other reasons, and we are gonna see how we can fix that issue. So first of all, you need to click on the link in the description and you will be navigated directly to this page. This is the page that will be used to verify your account, and you need to provide the information correctly and very carefully. Any mistake in these steps will be prohibited and your AdSense account will be permanently suspended. Alright, so first of all, you need to enter your first name. Make sure it is correct. We are also gonna provide the documents in the later stage, so make sure the name on the documents and the first name and last name here exactly match. So after that, you need to enter your last name. Once you're done with your first name and last name, you need to enter the email address that you have got your AdSense suspended. If your AdSense account is suspended, you need to enter that suspended email address. Once you have successfully entered the suspended AdSense email address, you need to enter the secondary email where you will receive the updates regarding that issue that you are currently reporting. And once you are done, you need to click on please select the impacted Google service. From this drop down, you need to select the Google AdSense. And the next step is payments profile ID. You can click on the Google payment settings just below this field and it will directly navigate you to the payments profile ID, or you can also find it manually, and I will show you how to do that. So first of all, you will need to navigate right inside your suspended AdSense account. Then you need to click on your logo in the top right corner of the screen and you need to click on my account. Once you click on my account, you will be navigated to your Google account page and you need to select the payments and subscriptions from the left side of the Google account. Once you're right inside, you need to select the manage payment methods, and now you need to navigate to settings. And as you can see, once we are right inside the settings, you will see the payments profile ID just below the payments profile. You need to copy this payments profile ID and you need to navigate back to the account verification page, and you need to paste the payments profile ID in this field. And once you are done filling in the fields, you need to provide the government issued ID. It can be your driver's license, it can be your passport, it can be your national identity card or any other mentioned accepted forms of ID. And you can take the photos with the borders of the photos within the frame, and you can follow my guide. I have made a special video on this. You can watch that video. How can I upload the documents properly so that they do not reject it and you will be approved. So once you are done editing your government issued ID by following my guide, you need to click on choose files, and once you click on the choose files, you need to specify the path where your documents are located, and I prefer to rename the documents as front or back separately and choose one by one. And once you're done, it will ask you, does your ID show your home address on the front? If is that so, you need to select yes or no accordingly. And once you're done, you need to click on submit. And once you click on submit, the AdSense team will review your information whether they want to release the hold from your Google AdSense account or not, and you will be notified via the email that you provided in the secondary emails. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. You can find the link of this page from the link in the description. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching this video and have a nice day.